You probably would have heard of the term stock marketing.
70 record closing highs so far for the Dow.
Blasting through a ceiling.
In a record-setting IPO.
Investors who have been riding the wave.
When the stock market is booming, we're made to believe the economy is booming.
But what exactly is stock marketing? Let's understand it with a simple story. A long time ago, there lived a man named Tony Stark. He wanted to become rich, so he started a business. The business was about making masks. Not ordinary masks, but Iron Man masks. But unfortunately, he didn't have the capital to start the business. So he went to the public, shared his idea, and told them to pay him $10 in order to become the owner of his business. Not a complete owner, but an owner who holds some value in the company. IPO, initial public offering. An investor pays a small sum of money and becomes the owner of a small share of the company. And with this idea, Tony Stark became a billionaire. In this process, Tony got capital to start his business, and people got shares to show their ownership. Tony can expand his business with these funds. Along with Iron Man masks, he can now sell Iron Man suits as well. But Tony is kind-hearted. He doesn't forget those who invested in his idea. He gives his investors a certain portion of his profit, which excites them and keeps them happy. Tony became famous, and now people who had not invested in Tony's business earlier want to invest in it today. They are so interested that they are ready to pay $1.20 for a share. People think that Tony's business will run so well that in the future, they can sell the same share for $30 to others. Essentially, that's what the stock market is. People buy and sell shares of different companies. That's the basic understanding of stock marketing, also known as share marketing. If you want more videos on this topic, leave a comment. With that being said, I hope you guys liked it. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay connected with this type of content.